I'm Gwyneth, and we're back with another tips and tricks. So today we'll be talking about how to obtain field-verified dimensions for your Acrovyn by Design mural. So to obtain those dimensions, you'll just need a tape measure, and you'll simply measure the width and the height of your mural. So something to consider when you're obtaining these field-verified dimensions is whether there's any doors or windows that would fall within the mural itself. So you'll just need to obtain the dimensions of the door or the window as well so that we can account for those in your layout. And just as a reminder, before any material can be released to fabrication, we will require both your digital and your sample PDF layouts be signed on each page if approved, and we'll also need the approval of the physical sample that we send out. And that's it for another tips and tricks.